Joe Employee, the new lead customer admin for Acme North America, is working through his task list in the ServiceNow Customer Self-Service Portal. As lead customer admin, Joe is responsible for managing high users. He has quite a few tasks to perform. He needs to add a new user to High, unlock a user account, assign the customer admin role to yet another user, and edit a support contact for his company. Lucky for Joe, despite his long list of tasks, the Manage Users page on the Customer Self-Service Portal on High provides all the functionality Joe needs to accomplish all of these things in one place. Joe begins by adding the new user. When we add a new user, the system sends the user a password, which must be reset upon login. Once we create the user, we can update any user information or upload an optional picture. We can also see that the system automatically assigned the role Customer to the new user, and we can add additional roles if needed. This user only needs to have the customer role, so this user account is ready to go. Now Joe needs to unlock a user's account. We can locate the user one of two ways. First, we can search for the user in the list by setting a filter to search for active users who are locked out. The search finds all locked out users. Second, we can access the Alerts page and use the link in the Manage Users list to directly access the locked out user account. And the user is now unlocked. Now Joe needs to assign the customer admin role to a user. He can do this two ways. First, Joe can access a list of his company's ServiceNow admins to see which high users already have been assigned the customer admin role. This page also provides a convenient link to the page where you can request the admin role for yourself or another user. Here we search for and locate the user and submit the request. Behind the scenes, the company's existing customer admins approve or reject the request. The second way for a customer admin to add the admin role to a user account is by accessing the user profile directly. Back in the user list, we can search for the user by the user ID. When we access the Edit Roles page, we can search for the role in the search field. Here, the customer admin role already displays, so we can select the role and move it into the roles list. Now the role is assigned to the user. Customer admins can also deactivate and activate accounts, reset passwords, and lock and unlock users. Note that any user can also access the service catalog to request the ServiceNow admin role for themselves or view the list of their company's ServiceNow admins. Joe has just one task left: edit support and technical contacts. We'll access the Manage Company Information page, where we can edit the primary or secondary support or technical contacts. The page displays a prompt to confirm the company's critical contact information. Joe needs to change the primary support contact to the user he added earlier, so he'll make that change before confirming. We can use Lookup to search the list, which will also populate the business phone, mobile phone, and email fields. And the support contact is updated. Now Joe can confirm the prompt requesting confirmation of his company's contact information. Now Joe's user management tasks are complete, all from one easy-to-use interface. For more information, please consult our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.